Hey guys, welcome back to Craft with Everyone, and in today's video we'll be using this jewellery kit. I've used this jewellery kit multiple times and I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's got these little charms, so I'd just say if you have any other charms, just use them. So they're string and like a bracelet. I'm just going to undo this one quickly. Put the charms away. You need that clip, that gold clip, because it closes the bracelet together. And I'm just going to go put out my charms now. And I think I'm going to use string in my next bracelet. So let's just collect my charms. And there are colourful charms over there. I think I'll use them as well. So these green ones, more green ones, and then blue and purple. I've got that blue and pink one. I'm going to use them to like close it up. See if I can spell my name. Okay, so let's just put the box to the side. Wait, let me just get my name. Now we put the box to the side and we're going to start making the bracelet. Okay, I'm just going to add the big ones, so the ones like I like to remind myself they're like earrings because they're so like jiggly. So just put those on and then I'll add the other ones. First I'm going to do my name. And then I'm going to get the other beads. Charms. So now we're just putting them on. Put them in a sort of pattern. Now I'm going to add I'm not going to add any because I think it's just too much to put on the bracelet. So now I'm going to do the string one. I'm going to use those ones for the string one. So you just have to try to tie it at the end. That's what most annoys me with the string, and as you can see, they're going to fall out. And so dumb because they fell out. So yeah, I need to put them back in now. Hopefully they don't fall out from the other side. Yeah, okay. So I'm almost done. Adding like a little charm. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye.